Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is one that many of you have been asking about: wisdom teeth removal. Whether you're a teenager or in your mid-20s like me, getting those wisdom teeth out is a rite of passage for many of us. So, let's dive into my experience and some tips I've picked up along the way. First off, let's talk timing. Wisdom teeth usually start to emerge between the ages of 15 and 25, hence why this age range is the prime time for removal. For me, it was around 19 when mine started causing trouble. I'd feel a dull ache in the back of my mouth, and my dentist confirmed they needed to go. The procedure itself can sound daunting, but trust me, it's not as bad as it seems. Mine was done under local anesthesia, so I was awake but didn't feel any pain. The sound of the tools might be a bit unsettling, but you can always plug in some earphones and listen to your favorite tunes to distract yourself. Recovery is where the real fun begins. You'll likely experience some swelling and discomfort for a few days. Stock up on soft foods like yogurt, smoothies, and mashed potatoes. Trust me, your mouth will thank you. Oh, and don't forget the ice packs. They're a lifesaver for reducing swelling. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the dreaded dry socket. It's basically when the blood clot that's supposed to form in the socket, after extraction, gets dislodged, exposing the bone and nerves underneath. Sounds painful, right? It definitely can be, but the good news is it's preventable. Follow your dentist's post-op instructions to a T, especially when it comes to avoiding things like smoking and using straws. Another tip I swear by is staying on top of your pain meds. Don't tough it out, take them as prescribed to stay ahead of the pain. And if you're like me and hate the taste of medicine, ask your pharmacist if they can flavor it for you. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Lastly, give yourself plenty of time to rest and recover. Your body just went through a pretty major ordeal, so listen to what it needs. Binge watch your favorite shows, catch up on that book you've been meaning to read, or just take some well-deserved naps. You'll be back to your normal self in no time. So, there you have it, my wisdom teeth removal survival guide for ages 15 to 25. Remember, everyone's experience is different, but hopefully, these tips will help make your journey a little smoother. If you've already had your wisdom teeth out, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if you're gearing up for the big day, don't worry, you've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.